This is Otto, 8-week-old English bulldog. Snoring. It's only a baby snore though. He's super cute. Look how big his belly is. His belly is just huge. He's so cute. This huge wrinkle on his nose. Look at that huge wrinkle right there. This thing is diesel. Super. He won't even wake up. No, he won't. Look at his wrinkles. You can just sling them off of him. Look at that sling. And he's still sleeping. His eyelids are all coming back in his head and stuff. Still snoring. Look at his ear over here. His ear's cool. On it. And then his other ear's white. But you can't see that. But yep. There'll be more videos of this little guy right here. To you.